Oh no, something's smoking!
Welcome to part 2 of building the world's best mud truck based on my TRX4 platform. In episode 1, you saw all of the upgrades that we did and the tires that we put on, and we put it through some trials. We had a little bit of errors. Now let's get on to part 2 and see what goes wrong this time. Enjoy the awesome mudding video.
Alright guys, back here on the J Concepts. Let's see how they do with no foam now and all the GPM parts. Let's get dirty. Let's get wet today, boys. Plugging on through. Nothing for a big hole. I say that. Come on, baby. She's not a floater like the Wycon, but are you a fighter though? We're upside down. There's Cass daintily coming along here. This is some mud today. Oh my gosh, I'm just flipping over. Too much speed, Brett. All right, guys, we finally made it back out here to our mud hole. We had to get away from all these disc golfers. So let's see how these tires do actually in our good mud. It just rained a lot, so. Oh, we're just getting stuck today. Smells wonderful. Come on, baby. Come on, J Concept and GPM. Really? Really? We just lost connection right there. Come on, man.
Dang.
We're going to be throwing this basket for our tournament right behind you here.
All right. Let me get this out the way, then we're good.
We need to crash.
RC car down.
Oh, just turn itself off, huh? Oh, okay. All right. Good to go. All right, guys. Day 3 of trying to get this to run right. We're back out here finally with the GPM parts and new J Concept tires. Let's go test out the mud. It's going to be a lot of water today. This mud might be too much for this truck today, which I didn't think is possible. I'll bring the Wycon out here and probably tear it up. But this is the Austin hole. Come on, fight, baby. Fight, baby. Uh-oh. You know what that sound is, boys? Pinion. Oh, I guess the GPM motor mount let my pinion get messed up. Oh, I think I'm using some cheap pinions though. Man, I walked all the way back here. Well, these are the problems that you are gonna have while mudding. We did J Concept hook up today.
Way deeper than it was.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. J Concept doing good today in GPM parts, baby. We back out here after a new pinion. Fight, baby. Yeah. All right, here comes the GPM and J Concept monster. Don't forget the hobby wing running through here. Let's see if today's better. Instant. Come on, baby. Yeah. There we go. The J Concepts are now. Oh. Finally. Finally, that's exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. This truck's finally performing. We are just... We're trying. Come on, baby. Come on, J Concept your way out of this. This stuff is soupy today, man. Every time we come out here, we've broken something so far. We haven't got to test these tires, really. Truck just died. She keeps dying on me. Oh no, that makes me think the whole receiver just got lodged. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Did the receiver die? Okay, the truck turned itself off, I guess, from that massive log that was in there. What the heck? I thought we could have had it too, but I don't know, this stuff is goopy today. I kind of like the J Concept dualies better, I believe. With the dualies, I didn't have a single problem. I mean, this stuff is, you see how soupy it is, though. I just gotta eat away at that mud. I gotta eat away. This stuff is so goofy. I think today would be better to just be skinny like Byron's Capra. To have skinny tires, because dude, I'm sinking. But yeah, I can definitely say I think I like the J Concept dualies better than these. Cuts out. Come on, man. Ain't no way we're that hot. We're literally water cooled right now. Come on, can we just get out? That's all I want to do. I know, 4-wheel steer would let me out, but I think there's a stick.
I think you're hung up on a stick somewhere. Now pour it forward.
I wish I could.
So, what are we saying? Hobby Wing is what?
I don't know, man. This Hobby Wing system's been great. I don't know why it's cutting out today. It hasn't done this yet.
What mine was doing, right?
Yeah. Well, this was a good build. I mean, I appreciate all the parts. I think I'm gonna go with the J Concept dualies from now on. What do you guys think? Or should we try the Black Mambas next? You guys let me know.
See? Oh.
We're just cutting out. Oh, here we go. Hand of God.
Yeah, you were stuck on a stick.
Was it a stick?
It was. Yeah, you can see. You see it?
That big stick right there?
Yeah, stick it up.
Well, Austin's gonna love this stick hole when he gets over here. To be continued.
Austin, come and love this stick hole over here.
All right, J Concept.
Well, I think you're lighter and floatier too than me. I'm stupid heavy.
Floatier, I like that word. Dude, it is just a sinkhole today. But we gotta get a win for J Concept. There we go. There we go. Now we're in low power mode. Oh no, I didn't mean to go back in. I'm in low power mode. I did not mean to go. Oh no. No! My truck died right there, Austin.
Ooh.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. But I can still wiggle. Yeah, but I did get a win for J Concepts.
We're gonna video this.
Yeah, you can.
There's a hook, so.
What the? Oh. Oh.
I don't know why that deck system does that.
Yeah, your system just sings the whole time.
Yeah, it just likes to. I don't know if it's because it's censored or.
Oh, it's about 20 pounds heavier.
Pick mine up.
Oh my God. Well, I know how heavy yours is. I'm saying mine since all the freaking mud.
Yeah, because you got fenders and a bunch of other random crap.
Let's save that. That's our hook and ladder. All right.
Hook and ladder?
We're back after a new battery. We're running an LIHV battery now. 9500, baby. We keep getting signal and losing signal, and we're both left over now. Look at that. Look at his front tires barely spinning. This is the most dirtiest I've ever gotten for filming. We need thin tires, bro. I mean, just look how super that crap is. We need thin tires today. I still like these tires a lot. Maybe if I turn them around like paddles, they'd do better. Get you? Oh no. Pinion. Wait. Yeah. There goes the pinion in the mud truck. No, Austin. Ah, oh my God, it's suction in there. Dude, look how drippy that is. That looks like something from Mad Max. Low and slow. There goes my pinion. Oh no, something's smoking. Something is smoking. Something's smoking, bro. What is smoking?
Unplug the battery, fool.
Well, I'm trying to figure out what's smoking. I saw the smoke coming out. Is it the motor? Oh, it's the ESC.
The fan ain't working?
No. Oh, and the motor is torched. Yeah, but look, the ESC is smoking right now. Hopefully it's still good to go, but dang, what the heck, man? I'm gonna go wash this thing off, but I'm worried about that. But this motor in the ESC is taking a lot, so I would not doubt if it's gone its way out. But for it to be smoking, I don't know. But see, that was on 3S and it was smoking. I'm gonna have to get an arm opinion because they don't want to stay. Daily life of a mudder. What you gotta do, man?
I'm gonna have to
Guess it just blows up.
I got a gumball in here, bro.
The fan is not running, but I hit the throttle real quick.
That sounds like that.
yeah, that gear's gone.
You gonna put like that. There it goes, smoking. Is that the motor?
Yeah. Could just be hot, and it's just heating all the water off.
Ow! Good God, that's hot.
Brett, you don't touch it without water on your finger.
Yeah, the motor be smoky smoke. Well, guys, the system has held up very well this far, but yeah, it might be a little toasted. Hope you guys enjoyed the GPM, Hobby Wing, and J-Concept video. We'll see what we can do better for next time. Deuce. Oh, what do I got, mud all in my face?
Okay, now you're rubbing it all over your face.
Dude, I mean, I'm covered in mud, bro. Like, look at this.
Look at his ear.
Yeah, I'm covered in. This is the dirtiest I've ever gotten.
All right, update on my TRX4 after you just finished watching a bunch of mudding videos back to back to back because this thing was not been running right, but we've been trying. The GPM gear that we installed here did in fact get eaten up. Amazon special pinions that I'm running got it eaten up. Also, this motor is about 900,000 degrees. That's why it's smoking. And water, if you see here, is dripping out of the motor. We're going to have to figure out where it's coming out at. But the water's dripping out. So I'm guessing the bearings are gone and the sealant is gone. We're going to see if we can repair that. All right. I took this front case off. We're going to do this together. We're going to see if there's any water in here. No? I thought there was going to be water in here. But this motor is still 1,000,000 degrees. Oh, my God. That bearing's not even that bad. I don't know. I'm guessing the fan is locked up with a bunch of crap in here, so I'm gonna have to dig that out. Guessing the ESC is fine, but I think the motor might be toast if we can't replace it. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video of mudding, and tell me what you think. I definitely like the dually J concepts better than these, but we're gonna turn them around backwards in the next video and try it out. Thank y'all so much.